you have grandparents in your life and you never know what to get them for the holidays, well, today I'm going to show you what I'm making for my kids' grandparents. It involves the kids' handprints, and I'm partnering with Woodcraft on this project to show off some of their new lumber that has a live edge on it. It's going to look really cool, so stay tuned. So here is this chunk of wood that I'm going to use, and it has what they call a live edge. It still has like the bark on it from the tree, and it's really thick. I love this. You can actually use this kind of material to make like an end table or a coffee table, but today I have already traced my kids' sweet little handprints on here. So now the next step is to cut it into individual plaques, and then I'm going to burn their handprints forever with a little wood burning tool. So what's neat about what's neat about this kind of wood is that there's a few imperfections. So there's actually one right here, and I'm going to use that as my cut line, or where I cut this plaque off. Time to rip. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. Now I'm ready to use the wood burning tool, and we actually used these a lot growing up. My dad loved collecting driftwood, and we would use the wood burning tool to burn our names or put the date or maybe where we found the driftwood. So this is kind of a nostalgia for me right here. Need a plug over here. You want to make sure whatever tip you're using that you thread it into the wood burning tool before you fire it up. Otherwise, it's going to be too hot to handle. Basically what my husband says about me. I'm just kidding. Okay, burn it up. Woo! I'm burning, I'm burning, I'm burning for you. It's so, wow, it's burning so fast. Okay, now I'm just going to quickly sand off the little giblets from cutting and sand the cut edges, and I'll be ready to add a picture hanger on the back and a clear coat on top. All right, let's get these ready to be hung before we seal them. No sense in getting yourself worked up about precise measurements. Some people are adamantly opposed to these sawtooth hangers. So if you're one of those people, you can hang your handprint art with the command strips, or I don't know, you're on your own. All right, so I'm going to seal the front and sides of these little plaques with a water-based top coat, and that will just keep the wood, just seal off the pores of the wood so it can't get stained with oil or grease or, I don't know, paint, whatever might be flying around wherever these are hung up. I have a blog post that I'll link below where I made shelves for our old bathroom with some cedar with a live edge. It looked really cool and just a different project you can use the same kind of material for. I love that this project is like a little time capsule of your kids at their current ages, and it's a fun little home decor item for the grandparents to hang on their wall. It might even be a fun tradition to do the same project every year and see your kids' hands get bigger. Thanks for checking in.